Friends, in today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on Johnson's and Johnson's stock. And my dear friends, if you remember, just a month ago, we had posted a detailed analysis video on this stock in our channel. And at that time, we had clearly mentioned that this is our red alert analysis video. And at that time, we had identified a double top pattern at the top of this trend. And we had clearly informed you that don't buy this stock. We had informed you that stay away from buying. At that time the stock was trading somewhere around $164, and we had clearly mentioned you that stock had broken down from the negative chart pattern, and that is double top. And and friends, we had also discussed several negative factors along with this negative chart pattern. If you would remember, we had discussed that this stock has broken down from the parallel channel on the downside. We had also discussed that higher highs has been shifted to lower lows on closing basis, and we had also identified a negative diversions before this pattern got broken down. So with all these negative factors and with all this negative chart pattern breakdown, we had conclude our analysis with mentioning and red alert title and informed you that stay away from this stock to buy. And ultimately the stock got broken down from the neckline, which is over here, and it's exactly reached to our target downside toward this area. So now our downside first target is already achieved. This was our entry point and here was our target, and this was red line was our stop loss. So friends, now the reason behind making video is that this stock is currently had broken down another negative chart pattern, and from here the stock is ready to give you another downside movement from the current price. Now the current negative chart pattern is much more dangerous than the double top patterns. So my dear friends, the stock is about to go down on a southward journey with more intense than the previous pattern. I just want to inform you that now the current pattern is also a negative pattern. It is an follow-up chart patterns. It is an, I could say that this is an follow-up chart pattern which got broken down again, and another downside movement will going to start in this stock. So still stay away from buying. There will be another downside movement will start. And my dear friends, this downside movement will start because of the another negative chart pattern broken down. We had already find this pattern. This was our first pattern which got broken down. Now there is another pattern which is about to broken down, which has already been broken down, which has already been materialized, which has broken down the neckline. This will be our second pattern, and it will take the stock more to downside. So my dear friends, in today's stock we will discuss about the second negative pattern which we had identified. Dear friends, if you see over here, we had seen there is a rounding top pattern over here. And if you see the length of this rounding top, this much the same length will going to come on the downside over here. And friends, this was a neckline which is already gone broken down. If you see, this neckline got broken down and it's came to retest the neckline, and it's failed to overpower this neckline, and ultimately the stock got rejection over here and it came down. And once this support will got broken down, the downward momentum will be heavily intensified. So my dear friends, if you see, this is an important support. Now the stock is trading exactly near to our support. If this support 150 is in strong support, if 115 get threat on a closing basis, if you find this stock get closed below 150, then there is a high probability that this stock you will find below 144. This will be our new target. So now the new target will be 144 to 143 dollars. So here the stock has broken down from the neckline. It took support at the it took support, and then it bounced back, and it came to retest the neckline, and the neckline has rejected, and now again downward started. And once this support got broken, then you will see the very fast downside movement. So, my dear friend, this was just to inform you that stock is still under pressure, and avoid buying at this area also. So, this will be our doubles, I could say our double targets. The first pattern we had identified was a double top, and now the second pattern we had identified is a rounding top, and rounding top target is here, my friends. This will be our ultimate targets. So, my dear friends, this is again the red alert analysis. And my dear friends, if you like my video, if you understand my content, then please give a thumbs up so that I will create a more entertaining content for you, more informative content for you, where you can earn a heavily, friends. Thank you.